You scrub your shower door with expensive foam spray. 3 days later, the white haze looks exactly the same as before you spent the money. That white film is not just dirt. It is mineral structure physically embedded inside your glass. And the $30 billion cleaning industry built an empire on a problem 2 kitchen ingredients eliminate in 4 minutes. In 1944, chemist Harold Simmons documented a formula in Pittsburgh that removed mineral scale at 98% in under 4 minutes with no scrubbing. Industrial buyers called it the 2-cent solution. White vinegar and cream of tartar. A 2011 American Chemical Society study confirmed it outperformed every commercial shower spray tested. Then, 2012 happened. When cleaning blogs published this method, retailers quietly adjusted their shelf plans. Cream of tartar lost front shelf placement in stores. Internal documents from one national chain contained the phrase "reduces cleaning sales" written beside basic pantry items. In this video, the exact formula, the precise measurements, and why an $800 glass repair quote disappeared with 50 cents. Let's begin. In 1944, a chemist named Harold Simmons worked inside a ceramic research lab in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. His team was tasked with finding low-cost scaling agents for boilers clogged with calcium carbonate and magnesium silicate. Workers applying the test compound watched the mineral scale vanish in under 5 minutes, with no scrubbing and no force. Simmons wrote in his notes on March 3, 1944, that the reaction was almost embarrassingly simple. 2 common acids at room temperature, no heat, no equipment. Within 2 years, the formula reached steel mills and power plants across the entire northeastern corridor of the United States. Engineers documented scale removal rates of 98% in under 4 minutes of direct contact with the surface treated. The formula cost under $1 per gallon to produce. Industrial buyers called it the 2-cent solution because raw material costs fell below every commercial option. The compound Simmons found was white vinegar and cream of tartar, a thick paste available at every single grocery store. Calcium and magnesium and hard water bond to glass surfaces through a chemical process called ionic adhesion built over time. Shower temperatures swing between 50 and 115 Fahrenheit degrees during each daily use. Those temperature swings cause dissolved minerals to expand and contract into tiny microscopic pockets embedded inside the glass. A study from the University of Bath, published in 2017, confirmed shower glass develops surface porosity within 6 months of regular hard water exposure without treatment. The pores trap mineral ions layer by layer during every shower. The white haze you see is not surface residue you can wipe away. It is mineral structure physically embedded inside your glass. Standard alkaline cleaners simply cannot break ionic mineral bonds. They clean the outer surface layer, but abandon the embedded scale. That is why foam spray feels effective for exactly 1 morning, and the white film returns before the week has ended. Cream of tartar contains tartaric acid at 3.4 grams of active concentration per tablespoon of dry material used. Combined with white vinegar at 5% acetic acid strength, you trigger a chelation reaction the moment paste contacts glass. Chelation means paired acids wrap around calcium and magnesium and physically pull mineral deposits right out of the pore structure. The American Chemical Society documented this exact mechanism in a peer-reviewed paper published in 2011. Researchers found chelation removed 94% of all calcium carbonate deposits from porous glass in 4 full minutes. That result outperformed every commercial shower spray tested independently in their controlled laboratory setting that year. So why has nobody put this on any cleaning store shelf label? Why has it never appeared in any cleaning product commercial on television? The global household cleaning industry earns $31 billion every year in the United States alone, based on industry reports. Shower and bathroom cleaners represent $9 billion of the total based on Statista figures published in 2020. The business model depends entirely on you buying a brand new bottle every single month without fail. You cannot patent white vinegar. It has existed for 3 millennia across human civilization. You cannot trademark cream of tartar sitting in every single grocery aisle worldwide. You cannot build repeat purchases around 2 basic pantry items that every household already has at home without spending more money. When cleaning blogs began publishing the chelation paste method in 2012, retailers quietly adjusted their shelf plans across the country. Cream of tartar lost its front shelf placement in many stores without explanation given to customers. Internal documents from one national chain were later reviewed by consumer groups containing the phrase "reduces cleaning sales," written beside basic pantry items in their annual category reports for management review. They did not ban it outright. They just made it harder to find on purpose. Meanwhile, premium shower glass cleaner sales grew 42% between 2012 and 2020 in data published by consumer research firm Nielsen covering North American households. The more the paste method spread online through blogs and forums, the more the industry raised advertising spend to push back hard against free alternatives. This is not an accident at all. This is a calculated business model at work protecting profit. Here's what you do right now with ingredients you already have. Measure 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar into a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and stir into thick paste. The paste should hold on vertical glass without sliding down when you apply it with a fingertip or folded microfiber cloth. Apply the paste over every section of white haze on the door. Make sure all visible mineral buildup is covered with a full layer. Let the paste rest undisturbed on the glass for 4 full minutes. The chelation reaction activates in 30 seconds of full contact. You will see the paste shift darker as the mineral ions release. After 4 minutes, wipe the glass with a damp cloth in circles. Every mineral deposit lifts completely off the glass with no effort. Rinse the full door panel with warm water and dry with a cloth. For doors, with years of heavy hard water buildup from daily use, apply the paste a second time after rinsing away the first coat. A homeowner in Phoenix, Arizona, shared her experience in 2021 after 14 full years of failed commercial spray use, trying product after product. She had an $800 quote for professional glass repair from a window contractor only 3 weeks before she tried this paste method out of desperation. After 2 applications of the $2 mix, using ingredients already in her kitchen, her door was crystal clear for the first time in over a decade. The contractor told her the glass was permanently beyond all repair and required complete panel replacement at full professional cost to fix. He was wrong completely. The minerals had bonded only into the deeper pore wall structure of the glass surface. They were not permanent damage at all. This knowledge did not die when the industry buried it. It waited for someone to find it at last. It waited for someone who looked past the spray bottles filling the aisle. Your shower door is not ruined at all, despite what professionals might tell you. It is only mineral trapped inside the pore structure. 2 ingredients in your kitchen, 4 minutes against the glass door surface. The same result the cleaning industry charges hundreds of dollars to deliver to you. You know shower glass chemistry better than most contractors now, better than professionals arriving with a quote pad and a price form. Explaining this removes their entire service call income model. Glass companies have known about the chelation effect for decades without telling anyone. Their labs documented the tartaric acid mineral reaction early on in internal research. Those studies were classified quietly as sensitive business knowledge, never shared publicly. The glass treatment industry earns over $2 billion each year, selling protective coatings that this simple paste makes completely obsolete overnight. Every bottle of glass shield spray on the market assumes you will never find this information. The entire glass care model depends entirely on your continued use each day buying their products. When you use the paste instead, the glass coating business cycle breaks apart immediately. The truth behind the $30 glass protector bottle is remarkably simple once revealed. It is not advanced technology developed in laboratories. It is a transaction built entirely on ignorance of what works. The 2 ingredients in this paste together cost under 50 cents at any store. They are available at every single grocery store in the country today without restriction. Your shower door has never truly needed any glass protection product. It needed 4 minutes and 2 ingredients already in your pantry. The industry needed you to believe otherwise, and it worked for years. Now you know. This knowledge does not go back into the bottle again. Share it. Every share is a crack in the system that was built here. The system that profited from your ignorance loses 1 customer. This knowledge was never meant to escape the lab and reach the world, but it did. And now it is yours. Use it. Pass it on to someone else.